In retail operations, the receiving area is the most critical part of the building. If the intake process is broken, the chaos will eventually bleed into every other department. For years, I treated my entryway like a dumping ground, and then I wondered why I felt so much anxiety the second I stepped inside my house. Today, we're implementing the Threshold Protocol, the first chapter of my DBT Home Manual. The goal here is inventory control and reducing the visual noise. Part of the audit is accepting when something has finished its job, so we're thanking these shoes for the miles they gave us and passing them on. In this house, we do not hold on to inventory that no longer serves the season we're in. That's how we break the cycle of clutter. We're also setting standards for the kids' coat hooks, 2 coats per person. If it's not being worn tomorrow, it does not belong here. Our entryway used to feel like a drop zone. Now it's more like a high priority landing pad where we can eliminate the friction at the most stressful times of the day. But a system is just words on paper if you don't have the emotional capacity to use it. Before I turn the knob to enter my home, I practice the DBT skill of mindfulness and a threshold breath. I take one deep breath to consciously exhale the day version of myself, and I use this physical space to transition my nervous system, leaving the weight of the outside world outside so that I can walk inside as the person I actually want to be today.